Today I'm gonna introduce Linux Unix operating system. So Unix is mother of operating system, and Linux is more closely to Unix. And here Ubuntu is one version mm, of the Unix operating system, and it is open source, so anyone can install it. Or if you like to install on the top, or if you want to use on the top of your Windows, then you need a VMware workstation, and I install version 15, and then you need Ubuntu. And this is the GUI part, like graphical user interface, and these are all our apps you could use. And here is the browser. The default browser is Mozilla Firefox, which is developer friendly browser. And one important and interesting things, like if you download something from Firefox Mozilla, then, and if you pause it on the half of the way, then while you again restart it, then it will download the rest half of the part, not from the very beginning. And here is the more apps you could use. And here's a calculator if you need to use, and it has also browser. And especially I like to show you some command prompt. And if we write C clear, then it will clear the screen. And if you use if I write cal, then it's give you calculator. And about date, and it's giving the current date, today date, of course Wednesday, May 1. And if we like to see the all the files and folders, so it's showing all files and folder, and it's command in ls. And we can see ls space hyphen l, then it show the list. And with all the username and the permissions here. um, D means it's a drive. Here is nothing written, so that means it's a file. And also you can distinguish by color. And R means read, W means write, and X means execute, read, write, execute permission. Okay. And which permission we can change with chmod, I will show you a little bit later. And then we can create a directory. So if you like to create a directory, then you have to write mkdir, and then directory name, for example dd. See, there is no dd blue, there is no this color dd. So now I create, now again ls, and now you will find dd is here, right? Now cat command, if you like to see something on a file, for example see at cat anu, let's see what is there anything. No, the file is empty, so we cannot see anything. See at cat, so this is, if you like to write anything, for example b, then you can write this is first file. And if I come out, now again if we write cat and then ab, then we can see the content of this file. Okay. And cart, uh, and then column, c for column. And so here column means this, so these all are columns. Okay, these are columns. So if I cart column 1 from ab, then what's happened, it will come t, Okay, so now how about column uh, up to 5 character, then it's come this. Okay, so you could use this kind of command cat ls, and then here we could write cd, and then we write dd folder. So now see, we are inside the dd folder. Now if I write ls, so nothing inside there. Okay, now again cd, if we like to come out, then just change this command. So if you use like mb for move, and then we write ab, for example, or before that, I like to show you where everything it is. Like here, AB and DD is there. Now I like to move it inside the DD, because the DD is a directory. So I like this AB file into DD directory. Okay, so in that case, MB move AV into DD. Now let's see. Again ls. Now AB is not here, right? Now it's inside in the dd. Now let's go in dd, change directory dd, and ls. See, now it's there. Okay, and if we write ls l and o, okay, ls. So see here, so if I change this chmod, c is for changing the permission, ch sorry, chmod, and then permission is 700, and then ab. Now let's see. So see, all read, write, and execute permission is given for the user. Now I like to change something, and now let's see what is the ab folder. We could find it here, like here dd, and here is the ab. Okay, and now just a minute, and also we have this folder just few minutes earlier. I write it, and now if we write these things, and I just delete these things and put it here. Now it's shell scripting, and this message one is the a variable name, and we cannot put I mean space between before or after this equal to sign, or you could say this one as an assignment operator. So message one is hello, and message two is there. Okay, and then echo this one. Okay, and just save it, and let's go with shell script, or in the command prompt, and you could write a b sorry, dot a b. So see hello there. So how this hello there come? uh, Get a b. So see, this one message one is hello and message. So to display anything, we need to write echo command, and these things for this color. Like if you notice, like there is a color of this variable and different color formatting, and these things help you to do those things. Okay, so then if you need if you like to, even you could give it the double quotation sign, and from there here go this one, and here. So see again the message one and message two. If we go there and then press here, and see here message one is one, and message two is message one and then two. Okay, and then if we here you could write result, 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 this one, and then and you could write it here. Okay, and let's see what's gonna happen. See result 1 2 3. Okay, so here if we write to see again, cat command, cat abcd. So here this result. So this is the variable 1 and variable 2, variable 3, message 1, message 2, message 3. So this variable is nothing but a container, and this echo is displaying the message of the variable. So here message 1, message 2, message 3. Okay, you could use man command for any help. For example, man, uh, man, and then cp. Cp for copy command, and then if you need to get help for cp command, then you could use these things. And for quit, you use q. Okay, so it's quit, and you see like how I create. I write create, and if you see create, how I create this text file, you could write cat, or you could write cat and then angular bracket then ab for file name, and then it will create a file. Or else you could write here um, vi editor, for example, scpi, scpi, or abpi. So see now a new file is created, and BI editor has a lot of command I'm gonna introduce you a little bit later. And also you could write is a GUI like cut copy paste, or you could write very easily, but still it's very good to know the BI editor. And BI editor has a three uh, has a three uh, mode: insert mode, command mode, and execution mode. So insert mode you can type. So see now I gonna uh, I'm trying to type something, but it's not typing. But if I press I and then I start I for insert, and so here I for insert, I for insert, and insert mode. And if you like to go command mode, then just press escape button. Okay, escape for command mode. command mode. And if we write escape, es escape, and not don't type and, just press escape, and then if you put colon, then it's go in a special mode, so that execute mode. So this mode, the extended mode, and right now I press escape button. Now it's move in escape, and now hold on. Right now I press see, now it's blinking and it's go on the top of this colon. So now it's command mode, and then if I go to extend mode, whatever a few minutes earlier I'm talking, and then I have to press colon, and then see this colon is working. Now it's extended mode, and extended mode has a lot of option. For example, w wq. So wq, uh, it will save the file to the disk and quit the vi. And if I write w only, then it will save the file and without quitting. I mean, it will be safe, and still you are in the vi editor, you cannot quit the vi editor, right? And I have another command like q, and then exclamation marks, and is quit without saving the last change. Okay, so I like to save it. So just w and then press enter, and three lines is showing. This new file says three lines, means it's saved, and still I'm here. Okay, and if I like to copy, I can press yy, or okay, yy. I already press yy, and then if I need to paste it, and if you like to paste, just press p, just press p. I just press p, then it's coming. And if you like to delete these things, press small 2d is here. Okay, so I write all this command here, and if you see abvi, whatever we create few minutes earlier, so here you will find all this. So if you like to exit vi, and you just press z, is of course capital letter. And then I for insert. And of course unis and command prompt is always case sensitive. So if you press I small one, then the insert text before the cursor, and actually it's well defined, so I don't need to repeat it again. So maybe I'll share in GitHub this file, this abvi file, or maybe I write, yeah, ABVI is a VI editor command. All this command, I'll put it to GitHub, and I'll give the link in the the below of the YouTube video, so you could see it. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.